We all had these moments, trying to find focus among the flood of informations and apps. Then we got distracted. Or trying to visualize a good idea free and quickly, and it's not that easy. Transforming inspiration into action requires mental energy. That's why we created the MOFT Snap Flow, the most intuitive mobile focus action system designed to streamline your day.
Introducing the future of wellness with ExerRing. Experience 24/7 comfort and wellness with our lightweight design. Start your day with tailored solutions from ExerChain's AI. Dive into the details with our AI coach, customized exercise routines, meal plans, and guidance to conquer your fitness goals. Track your workouts seamlessly with our multiple sports modes. Optimize your health journey with Zone 2 monitoring, powered by ExerChain's deep learning engine. Stay motivated with challenges and rewards on the ExerChain app. ExerRing is not just about fitness, it's your health companion too. Track health features such as body temperature, blood oxygen levels, HRV, and stay stress-free with real-time monitoring of your stress levels. Embrace sleep design for your lifestyle with our 4 to 6 days battery life. ExerRing's touch control allows you to switch through your playlist effortlessly and capture moments with ease. Its water-resistant features ensure seamless transitions between activities. Stay alert with important notifications, including bedtime reminders and menstrual cycle tracking at the tips of your finger. Explore your body data with advanced deep learning technology, leading to prediction of wellness insights. ExerRing helps you understand your sleep better with deep insights into your sleep stages. ExerRing Move. Measure. Motivate.
experience enhanced comfort, even when carrying a heavy load.
Introducing SmartyPlants, the smart monitor for your plants. It can be hard to know what your plants need, which is where SmartyPlants comes in. It analyses all your plants' needs and tells you exactly how to keep them happy and healthy, which will help you turn your houseplants from this into this. SmartyPlants measures everything a thriving plant needs, from soil moisture to light levels, temperature to humidity, even soil nutrients, with alerts and notifications to let you know exactly what your plants need, whether you're into succulents, tropicals, ferns, climbers, orchids, cacti or carnivorous plants. You'll have tailored advice right at your fingertips. Looking for a new plant? The sensor can even analyse the conditions in your room and recommend a plant that can